Hello, my little monkeys, and welcome back to the Planet Crafter. So on the last episode, we figured out that we need to unlock this extraction platform, which is quite a while away. So our terraformation needs to go zooming. So we're going to aim for the next step of heaters. This is a tier 4 heater. This is what we currently have. But if we go down to our biodome thingy-majig, there's actually a tier 5 heater here at 8.30 KT. We're only on 560 T. And this is biomass. This is not the terraformation index as we see in the top right corner. This is biomass that needs to go up. So we need to get some more tree spreaders and plants and bugs and stuff sent out. So I just grabbed all the loot that we needed to send out a plant rocket. So we'll do that. Bye-bye, Mr. Rocket. Grab a bunch of our super alloy as well, and we should be able to make a bunch of rocket engines, hopefully. We can make a bunch more drones. Absolutely. That's it. That's 4 more drones. It's going to help get things done a bit quicker. Because once we create a lot more drones, it's going to get our rods happening a lot faster, which means we should get all the stuff a lot easier to create rocket engines. Because once we can create a lot of rocket engines, we can send out more rockets and stuff, obviously. So we're actually going to go ahead and make an incubator. So what this can do, apparently, is you can use larvae and mutagen to create new insects and bugs. So these little larvae on the floor are actually going to have some sort of a helping hand in all this. Okay, I've got everything for the incubator. We're going to throw it down here in this little room. We haven't used this room yet. This is where all of our bug stuff goes. Let's see if we can figure this out. Genetic sequences, bee larva. We actually need to get that. That'd be cool. Oh, we actually can. That's not that hard at all. We need that bee larva to make a beehive. So we're going to do that. I just grabbed everything to go ahead and make a bacteria sample. Then we need a methane cartridge and a sulfur to create a mutagen. Now, all we need is uncommon larva. I'm going to walk around and just look for one, I guess. I haven't really looked for larva, to be fair, so hopefully we find the right one. An uncommon larva right next to the place I'm building it all. Very nice. Now we have everything to create a bee larva. Go ahead and do that. Uncommon mutagen fertilizer. So I think we put mutagen, the uncommon larva. Wait, I've got a rare larva. Hold on. We want the uncommon and a fertilizer. Then we research it, which is now sequencing, hopefully, the new thing. What can we use the rare larva for? Penga butterfly larva, insect multiplier. We can do that as well. Awesome. We're going to go ahead and make another mutagen, and we've got to run up and grab another fertilizer. Go ahead and make our mutagen. Okay, so we've made ourselves a bee larva. We're going to go ahead and use this one. Rare larva mutagen fertilizer. Rare mutagen fertilizer. That is also going to sequence. And now we've got a bee larva. We can actually go and make a beehive. So let's go and grab everything for that. Okay, we've got everything for a beehive, so we'll throw that out over this way as well. Oh, right there. I don't think it really matters where you put it, but now we have a beehive. Awesome. And now our insects thing is actually going up, so we should be able to unlock all these random things that we haven't looked at, which is going to ultimately help our biomass go up. I wish I did that a long time ago, and now I know it. If I ever decide to run this game again, I'm going to be so much quicker. We've got a Penga butterfly larva. Okay, so I just made everything to hopefully expand, I guess, this way. We've got the butterfly dome. Hopefully I can get it to connect. Connected. Awesome. And then we put the larvas in here. So the Penga butterfly can go in there, and now that should be butterflies, baby. Which I know this looks very annoying, so I'm going to go ahead and deconstruct this. The whole thing, and we're actually going to put that back, like right here, hopefully connected this time, like that. So now we can actually walk in here and do things. There's another random bug. So that's all we can really do at the moment with our butterfly stuff by the looks of it. But our insects is finally going up, which is good. Unless we go and look for more butterfly larvae around the place, then we're not really going to make any more progress on that for a bit. Like, these are all just common around here, so we're actually not that far off unlocking the pulsar quartz in the blueprint thingy-majig, so I don't even know if it's going to be that helpful at this point, but we may as well. Oh, we just unlocked high quality food as well, which you can actually trade in for 7 Terra tokens. Hell yeah. Because once we unlock some pulsar quartz, I want to make more fusion energy cells, and then we're going to go all around the map and place them all in those fusion energy things that are all in the crashed spaceships and whatnot. So we'll make another mutagen because we found another uncommon lava. So it's an uncommon lava, mutagen, and a fertilizer. That'll create the bee larva, so we can go and create another beehive outside just to help increase our insects a bit more. I think that's what I'm going to focus, is just getting this biomass cranking, because I don't want to go and place any more tier 4s or anything if we're going to unlock tier 5 shortly, you know? We're going to unlock some more butterflies and stuff here soon as well, so we're actually not that far off, to be fair, either, so it's good. Now we actually have to go all the way back to our sulfur place real quick, because we're going to make tier 2 food growers so we can grow more eggplants. We just brought all the sulfur back. Okay, so we've got enough to make a tier 2 food grower now. We're going to throw this down here. Put an eggplant inside. These ones should grow a bit quicker, apparently, because we need a lot of eggplants. We need 2 eggplants per fertilizer, which is kind of annoying. Let's go back down here and have a look at our bee larva. We managed to make that nice. And the best thing right now is how my drones are still just flying around the map, getting me all the materials I need for like the rocket stuff, and I'm just chilling. It's not really doing my super alloy right now, which is kind of annoying, but that's okay. It'll get there. We're actually going to work towards getting this aquarium set up as well. We need a tier 2 fertilizer, oxygen capsule, super alloy, circuit board, because this is going to start getting our animals sorted as well. So we're going to need a tier 2 fertilizer, which means we need a normal fertilizer. I need 1 more eggplant. I think what I'm going to do is just put a normal machine optimizer here, like a level 1, because I think you can put production fuses in them. So that's going to help our eggplants and plants in general just grow a lot quicker if they're in that area. Let's see if we have a production fuse. We do. We're pretty lucky that we made a bunch of explosive powder, but we don't have much left, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, we got a level 1. It'll have to do for now. I'm going to place this like right here. Put the fuse in it. That should help grow plants a lot quicker. And we will move all these plants once they grow, which these 2 have. We'll take the plants out of them. Keep forgetting. Now hopefully that's going to produce a lot quicker. Let's go ahead and make a fertilizer. Create a tier 2 fertilizer. Lucky I had a squash growing upstairs, by the way. Now we just need a super alloy and a circuit board. Now we have a tier 1 aquarium. I guess we'll just put that back here. Maybe. That's huge. I'm going to place this one right here in our little biodome so we can see what's happening. And now we need to get the fish egg things, which are in here. These things, I guess. Or can I go to the water perhaps and just find them? Question mark? Because we did unlock the fish stage, so I wonder if I can just find fish juices or something. I don't know. I guess I'll have to Google that one. But anyway, let's have a look at our plants. That's kind of what we're waiting for. Oh yeah, they're growing quick now. But that's actually going to be it for this episode. A lot of intricate type of things happening this episode. I was quite confused, I won't lie, but I figured it out. If you guys enjoyed the video, please consider dropping a like. As a small YouTuber, everything is appreciated. Maybe subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.